Hi guys, and welcome back to Mailbag video 78. And this is still gonna be epic because I have some goodie stuff. So here we go. I ordered some goodies which really you like it. So stay till the end until we're gonna open the last one and we're gonna see what we have on this mailbag video. So we're gonna put them aside and now we're gonna start with the smallest one. And here we go. This is the first one for this episode on Mailbag video. So I received it on 24th July. There is no description, so a quick open to see what's inside. And inside we reveal small rubber. This is the second one, because on the previous Mailbag video when I order and I don't pay attention that they were gonna send only one. This is the second one to make a pair to the other one. Let me find it over here around. Yeah, it's here. So this is what I ordered before when I'm not reading good description, and I get the pair. So let's compare them to make sure that are the same, because if are not the same, how am I gonna use them? So looks like are the same height, everything. Yeah. So yeah, this I ordered to test them with my trinocular microscope to see how good they are. So let's find out how much cost and how fast they moved over here. So here we go. This is the soft rubber eyepiece shield. I ordered it on 16 July, so this means 8 days delivery. I paid a total of £96, but actually the item cost £1.05, so there is some discount. And if we go there, there is so many things that you can choose between this shape, this shape, this shape. So many shapes that you can choose. Definitely the price I think is changing. Yeah, it's changing depend which model you might like to order. And if we scroll down, 4.8 star review and description. So for inner diameter 28, 33.5, 30, 32 or 33.37 millimeters. So package include just only one piece. So if you want a pair, you must to order 2 items. And if you are interested, check the link on the description down below. Right, let's go to the next one, which arrived here on 26 July, and no description also in this one. So if we open, we're gonna figure out what is inside. So inside, this is empty. We have a tube of Amway M53 10cc no clean smooth soldering flux. Yeah, because I want to try different fluxes. And I want to make also a video which one is good for which kind of jobs, because the flux are made for different jobs. So you cannot use the same flux for all proposed jobs. You need to find the right one for the right job. So they come with 2 different sizes of needles, one thicker, one thinner. I can see one is thicker than the other one. So the green is thinner and the clear one is thicker. And this one is from it's really clear, you can see through almost, so I hope that it will not require too much cleaning around after using it. And definitely stay tuned because we're gonna see how it works. So now let's head up to my computer to see how much I pay on this one and how fast moved over here. Here we go. This is the Amway M53 10cc no clean smooth float tracky soldering flux spray. So I paid a total of only £1.13 and I ordered it on 16 July. So this means 10 days delivery. And let's have a look now the listing. So here we go. This is the listing, few different pictures of the product, and it says here that it's good for CPU, BGAs. So let's carry on. 4.9 star reviews, and it says here anything on description that can be interested to us. Only pictures, that's it, doesn't say nothing about it. Anyway, it's a flux, different one, definitely is really clear, like you can see almost through. And if you are interested, check the link on the description down below. Alright, let's come with the next one, which arrived here on 24. There is no description. A quick cut. Then we reveal a nice pair of tweezers. So TW32, I say that is a tip ESD safe ceramic tweezer. So this one should be the ceramic. So the box is a bit not in good shape. And let's have a look how this tweezer looks like. Alright, that's the tweezer. They look really nice. You see that they have that inscription on it. The tip, it's really fine ones, and definitely they're gonna be really nice to use for SMD components. Definitely, it's a good one. I really like it already, the feeling of this tweezers. Yeah, it will gonna go to my collection of other tweezers. So let's see how much it's costing and how fast moved over here. Here we go. This is the 2UUL TW32 black K flat tip ESD safe ceramic tweezers. So it cost £3.05, ordered on 16. So this means 8 days delivery. And if we go here, that's the listing. You're gonna see few pictures about the product. If we scroll down, reviews, they don't have any reviews. So I am the first one to get these tweezers. I don't know. So let's see on description. So in description, just picture something on Chinese, but I can't understand what does mean. It says precision, access to tight spaces, and it says that shift flame glue removal, and is a flat tip. And you can definitely, if you find different tips of this tweezer, you can unscrew here and you can change them definitely. Yeah, it's a really nice tweezer, and if you are interested, check the link on the description down below. Alright, let's come with the next one, which arrived here on 26, and usually no description on nothing over here, so we cannot anticipate what we can find inside the bag. But inside the bag there is another bag. It's quite big, and we have I think some more flux. Some more flux, different ones. So this is say that is UV flux paste, and are from Relife. This is open, so let me close it back. This is a BGA flux, I can say there. Also that one say BGA flux paste. Yeah, but this is different name. So if you can read there, is RL420. This is RL421, and there is another model over here which is RL422IM, and this is the halogen free flux paste. So I can see it's different than halogen free. So that's right, there is different fluxes for different jobs that you might need to do. So yeah, these are the things. They don't come with the needles, so that one is a minus if they don't hide it over here. So yeah, there is no needles, just come only the tubes. So let's head up to my computer to see how much cost and how fast they moved over here. So here we go. This is the order. I ordered it on 16, so this means 8 days delivery, and is the listing says strong active halogen free Relife BGA flux paste 10cc. All 3 tubes costing £3.50. And if we go here, you're gonna see that if you like, you can order just only one tube, but if you need to order only one tube, you're gonna pay £2.61 for one tube. And if you want to use to order all 3 together, it's gonna be a better discount. So that's why I choose all 3 together to see what's the difference between them. On review, I can see there 5-star review, so it should be a good product. And then on description it says a few things. So BGA environmentally friendly lead, free halogen, free solder paste. Pictures like usually, and more information. There is some certificates that shows there, and the product size. Okay, if you are interested on this flux, check the link on the description down below. So next one arrived here on 24th. Should be description on the underneath. There is another label. You can see a bit of the barcode and some inscriptions. So definitely should be there the description what is inside of this one. So we're gonna open to see what is. So inside this bag we have something from Best, and I saw a few YouTube videos, someone were using this type of multimeter probes, and I are very sharp there, so it's really good when you are dealing with very small components on the board. So I wanted to try it as well to see how it is, if the pins are strong enough and they don't bend easy at all, also because also if it's sharp and fine ones, they need to be also strong, because otherwise they will gonna bend very easy. So that's everything what's in the box, and on the feeling they feel really nice, and yeah, definitely they are really sharp needles. Oh, very sharp. So definitely when you hold them somewhere, you must to hold this cover on like that, you will not stab your fingers. Cable looking very nice feeling. So definitely silicone, very soft, really soft. And you have 1 meter, I believe, on length. Yes, 1 meter. At the end over here you have these soft rubbers that are gonna allow us to bend very easy. I'm gonna also show you how sharp are the needles just in a minute. So have a look there, they are very sharp, and I hope that they are gonna be strong, they don't bend easy. I can feel it that they are strong, are not the bending one. We can also try to see the resistance of these cables to make sure, but because on measurements you need to understand also the resistance. So let me put my multimeter on the screen and see the resistance of these probes. There you go, I have my multimeter set up on continuity mode, and if we touch together the pins, let's have a look what is the measurements. It's in about 0.3, 0.4, so it's not a bad resistance that you have in these very long wires. Look, now is 0.2, so yeah, it's quite good. Maybe need a bit of sanding these pins to make a bit of, because you know sometimes there is a coating on, and if you're sanding them it will gonna be much better contact. So anyway, I'm happy with them. So let's see now how much costing and how fast they moved over here, this pair of probe test leads. Here we go, these are the BST020 JP Cat 3 2000 volts 20 amps tin superconducting probe multimeter, which was costing £6.19, but I get a very good discount. I pay only £2.44. I ordered it on 16 July, so 8 days delivery. Yeah, and here we go, this is the listing. You can see different pictures, so you can see that they are very thin pins over there, and they are really strong, they don't bend, they are really good. And reviews says 5 stars, so a lot of people, they are happy with them probes. And then on descriptions, 20 amps multimeter pen compatible with 99% of the multimeters, soft silicone cable. Yeah, it's accurate because it's really soft, and definitely silicone cable, alloy steel needle, so yeah, it's really strong needles, and it's about only 0.2 millimeter on the needle, which is really good. I'm gonna see anyway when I'm gonna use it. And it says high low temperature resistance, soft PVC wire, freeze and burn resistance, and it's really ergonomically designed. Yeah, there is a space where you can put your fingers on and will not slip. So pictures of the product, looking nice. And here it says the probe length are 15 millimeter, and stainless steel silicone plus plastic, 73 grams, 88 grams. Tip diameters is 0.2. Here it's the specification of the conductor is 18 AWG. Thickness of the insulating layer is 0.6 millimeter. Yeah, good that they have all this information here. And if you are interested on this multimeter probe, check the link on the description down below. And here we go. This is the last one for this Mailbag video. Arrived here on 24. Doesn't say nothing on descriptions, and I feel that is a box. Inside the box we have this Relife screwdriver, which are looking really cool. Yeah, let's have a look. So how this one is to come out? A sliding case. Here you have the certificate that they was checked perfectly, and let's have a look how they look. Nice insulator over there, and they are very tiny, fine precision screwdriver. Have a look over there. If you really need to open some very tiny precision screws, definitely with this one you can do it. They're looking really good. And I got this set because I have this one the other day, and I can put them sitting over there. Yeah, now if I keep this one on, did they fit over there? No. So definitely I need to remove and fit them over here, and I can put all of them. This one is again a kind of Phillips one. This one is Y.
Thanks for the sub.
And this is normal Phillips 1.5. And this one is again a Torx. No, it's a Star 0.8. So yeah, set of precision screwdriver, which definitely you're gonna need them around your working bench. Let me just put them back for now on them case, and then when I'm gonna set up my bench, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna put them. But that's the reason why I got this one and these ones, to have some precision screwdrivers and a place where I can fit them. So yeah, let's head up to computer to see how much cost and how fast moved over here. Here we go. This is the Relife RL730A steel Canon. What has to do Canon King class series screwdriver. I paid a total of £5.51 because it was a good discount. The original price is £9.59, and it took 8 days to be here. So this is the listing. Precision screwdriver, very fine for precision screws, and is good to have in your bench if you are doing some repairs around. And if you go down, 4.8 star reviews, and if you go on descriptions, and it says that aluminum alloy material, that is correct. Noise reduction bearing, yeah, there is a bearing on that spinning stuff, it's not straight away on the metal. And extra hard S2 steel bit, so that's point over there, which is really extra strong. And here we go, few pictures more about this. See, there is a bearing at the top there, and then this body is made by aluminum, and you have a magnet also, and then the S2 steel bit, which is this part over here. Yeah, they're looking good, and I can't wait to use them on my working bench. And if you are interested, check the link on the description down below. And these are all the items for this Mailbag video. So the tweezer, which I really like it, and definitely gonna go on my pouch with the other tweezers. This one, it will gonna sit on that screwdriver support. This one definitely you're gonna see me using when I'm gonna deal with a lots of SMDs. And flux, to try to see which one is good for which kind of jobs. So when we need to do a BGA reballing, which paste is better to use for that process. When you need to desolder a component, which one is better. And when you need to solder a component, which one is better. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like. Please subscribe and activate notification bell for more videos. And then if you're interested about all the tools which I have around my working bench, check the link on the description down below. You're gonna find links for everything what I'm using daily. Until the next one, guys, have a good day and bye bye.